Hello and welcome. It is the 21st day of December 2016 and it is a Wednesday. Welcome to the Silver Charts channel as winter is now upon us in the northern hemisphere, which means the days will start to get longer, slowly but surely, and they'll remain getting colder for another month or so. But it's now winter. We now look at a couple articles on silverdoctors.com, and the reason why I'm bringing them up today is because any day, whether it be today or whenever the last 9 years, if you want to look on the internet for reasons why this economy is going to really collapse over the next year, pretty easy to find because it's been there for 9 consecutive years since 2007, excuse me. It's been a long time. So whether you look on December 31st, 2007, or any day from that point, you will see good information to why it's going to happen. Great reset in the price of gold, maybe going to 5,000. Stock market going supernova. We talked about the total US debt outstanding. It's going to reach 20 trillion in early 2017. I remember when it reached 10 trillion about that decade ago. So it has gone up high. Lots of good reasons to why it's going to take place. And quite frankly, whether it takes 12 months or within 12 months or about 120 months, either one doesn't surprise me anymore. Oh, I'm surprised from what I thought back then in 2009 that, oh, there's no way it's going to take more than like 3 years for this thing to like break down. Oh, yes, way it did. So very tough sometimes to figure out the whens. Now, as far as this pattern on the daily chart, one of the things that I'm noticing is that it broke the key support level yesterday, but it quickly got itself back within its sideways range. Meanwhile, down below this 18 declining average within a bear market. Is this a possible reversal of trends? Well, I do find it interesting at the top of ranges when you see these big pierces, it's pretty much a sign, it looks like, to be careful that this thing could be rolling over, and the contrary of polarity, the same on the downside. There's been several lower highs, and when the bull market starts, it's going to have to take out each one of them one by one. Whether it will take out all of them, that would be time to determine. When and only when, of course, this goes into a bull market, because it's like a chess game of some sort, or any type of a magic game where one person has a turn and then the next person has a turn. So there's the bull's turn, there's the bear's turn, and the next turn, of course, will be the bulls. The bulls versus the bears. Okay, anyway, we have this possible situation, of course, where if this is that failed breakdown before the bull market, it wouldn't surprise me, and it's probably, again, it's got many of these to take out. If it has a hard time holding this high $15 area, pretty much 16, then it's a decent chance that you'll probably have at least a quick move to this previous low and then breaking that, because of the indicators that it looks like it's going to reverse. If that fails, oh, I would be predicting that it would go down to that 15-12 mark, and probably within a couple or 3 hours. That would be my guess on the if situation. But this is also a good seasonal time for silver. But with that being said, so was all of December. We had that. So you can only lead so much into like seasonalities and things of that nature. But I'm going to be... Again, I'm going to be giving this some decent credit where it might be pulling off an okay chance of reversing the trend, but I'm still going to need to see it do what it needs to do, and that is A, get within this band to at least neutralize it, and then after that, try to make a move in reversing the trend to bullish, which is getting above the band, and then continuing bullishness from there to make it bullish. Okay, take care.